If you're waiting to buy a home, I'm gonna tell you that you might be sorry.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
My name is Jeff Miller. I'm a residential real estate specialist here in the greater Austin area. Why am I saying that if you're waiting to buy a home, you might be sorry? Because you might look at me and say, wait a minute, that's not what I'm hearing in the news. The news is talking about the housing market gonna crash, interest rates are through the roof, it's an awful time from home buyers and home sellers. Is that really true? Look, the reality is, yes, interest rates are higher than they've been in the last few years. The other reality is that prices have also dropped. The thought is, for those people saying wait, is they think prices might drop a lot more. But most indicators would say they're not going to drop a lot more. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not pretending to. You can argue with me for sure. You can put the comments down below if you want to tell me how I'm wrong. That's your call. But it's my opinion based on watching the market that prices are not going to drop much more, if at all. So if you're looking to buy a home and the interest rates is holding you back, think about this. You'll buy that home at a lower price. Yeah, the interest rate will be higher than it was a couple of years ago, but you'll get the home for a lower price because prices have actually dropped a little. And then down the road, if the rates drop, you can refinance the home. So you sort of win out on both sides of that equation.
Yes, yes, yes!
Now, if you're a seller and you're like, hey, I don't want to sell because I want to sell my house, I got to buy a new house, I won't go sell my house for what I could have sold it for a year ago. Well, guess what? If you wait till your price of your home goes back up, what's going to happen to the homes that you're looking to buy? You guessed it. All those prices are going to go back up as well. So when someone says, I need to sell my home for reason XYZ, but I don't want to because home prices, I can't get what I think I should get for it. Well, the argument would be, yeah, but you can buy your new home, your next home, right, is also going to be at a lower price. So when you got to sell, you should sell. Not going to tell someone to be scared of selling. In the last few years, there were people who said, hey, I'm just going to cash in. I've got this house, I got this much equity, I can sell for so much, I'm going to cash in. And you know what they had to do? Unless they're going to live out of their RV, they had to buy a new home. Well, all those homes are more expensive too. So that's very important to think about that aspect of things for sure. The other thing, the final thing here, if you're that person who says, I'm just going to wait till prices drop more because they're going to drop. Well, you might miss that opportunity. And yeah, they might drop. They might drop 2, 3, 4% more. Who knows? We don't know. No one actually knows. I don't care what anyone says. No one actually knows. But let's say you do wait and you're trying to time the market, so to speak. Well, you might miss that opportunity because I'm going to tell you, I've seen it over the years where people wait and all of a sudden they miss that window and then they're right back where they would have been in the first place, but they've got nothing to show for it. So anyway, if you're waiting because you think of that, really weigh that a lot. Hey, I hope that helps. It's a lot of information, but anyway, you feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is right there, and y'all take care.